Hi, my name is Nicholas Malalepsy. I am class rep for the HND Year 2 in computing. I thought I'd come to the college to further my studies and help possibly to get a job in the future within the IT sector. I chose to study here because I've been here quite a while. I know all the tutors, so everybody's familiar. I've got loads of friends here. Last year we did a 2-week work placement. I went to Admiral in Cardiff to the cybersecurity sector and learned how to set up attacking and defending systems for cybersecurity. The differences between studying here and a university, I'd imagine the class sizes in university would be much bigger. And of course, you won't know the tutors as well as you would here. I'd like to progress to do my bachelor's top-up degree and further from there possibly find a job within a IT sector such as system support or networking. Alongside this course, I am doing voluntary work on a Thursday and Friday in the Waysavers Reuse Centre within the IT department, refurbishing laptops. Throughout studying this course, it has helped me in my work experience there to possibly take that into a role with me later on.